So I'm participating in a collab hosted by Heidi and Holly with Living It Country, and it is the Fall Farmhouse DIY. I will link these ladies' channels below, as well as the playlist, so you can see what everyone else has come up with today. Let's get right to it. So I'm starting out with 4 of the little houses that you get from Dollar Tree, and I will be covering the back of them with some stock paper that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I'll be using the orange and black buffalo check as well as a black and white buffalo check. And here's how they look once I have them all covered with the paper. I'm going to use some of the small craft sticks from Dollar Tree, and I'll be making some different fences for the front of each of the houses. And I will be using some of the antique stain to cover the fence pieces. And here's how the first one turned out. It's a little off, but I'll fix that. And just to save time on this video, I will go ahead and make the fences for each house and put them together, and I'll show you the end result. So I have these completed, and I'll show you each. I did make each a little different. And now I will decorate these. First I'll be using some of this raffia, and I'm going to make something like a little cornstalk to put on one end of that first house that looked a little wonky. And I will be using these 4 skeletons. I did pick these up at Dollar General, but they had the exact same ones at Dollar Tree. And here's the first house. And now for the second house, I'll be using another skeleton, trying to make him look like he is trying to escape. I'm gonna have to put him in the other house. And I'll also use a couple of these ghosts, and I'll paint those white. I will be using this wood filler just to fill the hole at the top of the head. So it looks like I lost some footage, guys, so we'll just cut to the display. So here is my farmhouse DIY, guys. I hope you like it. It is a Halloween farmhouse DIY. so we'll just call it a Halloween hoedown. I would like to thank Heidi and Holly for hosting tonight. I really enjoyed putting this together. I love Halloween, so you'll see quite a few Halloween DIYs from me. And I would like to thank my subscribers for continuing to show your support. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tonight, and I will see you in my next video.